Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Summer is heating up, so I'm going to share a super easy and delicious recipe of lemonade with you. I'm going to tell you how to tweak the traditional lemonade to feed the picky eaters. As they say, when life hands you lemons, make a lemonade. So let's get started. For this, I have taken 4 big lemons. You can also take green limes if you wish to. So I'm going to take the seeds out and squeeze the lemons in a container. You can squeeze the lemon with your hands or use a lemon squeezer if you have one. So you can see out of 4 big lemons, I could take out around 3/4 cup of lemon juice. Make sure to take out the seeds completely because the seeds can make the lemonade bitter. Now I'm going to tell you how to make the sugar syrup for the lemonade. So I have taken around 1.5 cup of sugar in a pan, and I'm going to add the same amount of water to it and let it simmer for some time. We don't want to make a really thick syrup here that we make for some sweets. We just want to heat it up so that the sugar and water blends in together, and we need to let it cool down completely. After it cools down, we are just mixing the lemon juice and sugar syrup to make a concoction. You can also make the concoction for margaritas in a similar way. Just make sure you add less water to this proportion so that the concentrate is stronger in that. So you can see I have made up around 2 cups of lemonade concoction and it's ready to use. Now let's see the first type of lemonade. It's called the simple lemonade with chia seeds. Chia seeds have great health benefits. I have soaked 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water for 15 minutes. Take 3 tablespoons of lemonade mix that we made in a glass. Add a couple of ice cubes to it and mix in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds that we soaked. Mix some chilled water through this and garnish it with some mint leaves. The refreshing lemonade with chia seeds is ready to enjoy. Now let's see the second type of lemonade. It's called watermelon lemonade or watermelon cooler. For this, I have taken some frozen watermelon and I'm going to mix it in the blender to make the watermelon juice. Now I'm going to take some ice cubes in a glass and adding 2 teaspoons of chia seeds to it. Also mixing 3 tablespoons of lemonade mix that we made and adding in the watermelon juice and mix. Delicious watermelon cooler is ready to enjoy. I'm garnishing it with some mint leaves for a good presentation. Do try this recipe, friends. It's really good. Now our next recipe is a mint soda lemonade. For this, I'm going to grind together some fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, 1 green chili and ½ inch of ginger and make it in a paste. You can add a pinch of salt and some jeera powder to it. And in the glass, now I'm taking 3 tablespoons of lemonade mix. To this, I'm adding some masala water that we made and some ice cubes. Now I'm adding the club soda to this mixture. If you don't have club soda, you can also use Sprite and garnish it with some mint leaves. And this tasty and tangy mint soda lemonade is ready. So since this is the mango season, let's make the mango lemonade now. This is very simple recipe. I have taken some mango slices and I'm going to grind them in the blender. You should make a really fine puree because we are going to use it as is in the lemonade. Now to the glass I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lemonade mix that we made. Adding in some chia seeds, some mango puree that we made, and ice cubes, and mix it really well. The yummy and delicious mango lemonade is ready. Kids will especially like it a lot. So friends, our 4 types of lemonades are ready. Do let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I like the simple lemonade with chia seeds the most. That is my favorite. It's so important to be hydrated in the summer, so do try this recipe friends. It's so easy to make. Also, it will be a refreshing change to add a few flavors to the lemonade and serve as a cooling drink in the summer. So friends, do give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.